Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create WhatsApp channel on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is want to go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. On your WhatsApp, locate and click on updates. Here you have different updates on status. If you scroll down, it should say create channel. Then click on continue. After that, give your channel a name. So, then describe your channel. Once you describe your channel, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on create channel. Then it should say creating. Then your channel will be created. And now you can go ahead and invite your friends to join your channel. And this is your WhatsApp channel. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to create WhatsApp channel. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.